unemployed, we need to fight negative ideologies. A truly comprehensive approach is necessary to build a secure society, including politics and peace building. Ladies and gentlemen, Somalia is a country emerging from many years of statelessness and difficulty. Every little thing requires rebuilding, not just buildings and armies and ministers, but also trust and hope and belief in the future. The federal project in Somalia is an ambitious project of rebuilding the bridge of consensus, of rebuilding faith in the state. We have been successful so far in creating federal member states, in holding elections for 2 houses of parliament, and electing a federal administration. We have turned now our attention to working together to rebuild the security institutions, both our national army and our state and federal police institutions. We will succeed using the same consensus building methods, and this will further strengthen the country. Today, the federal member states share so much in common. We have streamlined the communication gap between the regions while increasing our cooperation in addressing national issues under one political platform. As far as Budalen is concerned, we are making a huge progress on several fronts. Budalen is the oldest federal state in Somalia, 20 years of self-enhanced local experience in managing its own affairs, while availing time and local and resources to the quest of a peaceful and stable Somalia. In the last 4 years, the state has embarked on several reforms such as security, justice, and civil service to strengthen state institutions. We believe good institutions beget good governance. We have also invested greatly in the infrastructure development to advance economic growth within Budalen and Somalia. However, Budalen is also facing an increasing security challenges caused by Al-Shabaab and ISIL terrorist presence in the mountainous regions of Puntland. Al-Shabaab is using Galgala Mountains as a hideout area when pushed from the increasing military campaign in southern Somalia. We are also impacted by the negative spillover from the Yemen war and illegal human trafficking. We thank our international partners in their support to overcome these challenges. However, it's imperative to highlight that we cannot sustain this war alone. It drains our meager resources from the social and human development sectors of the economy. Finally, I would like to remind everyone present here today that we commit to the implementation of the national security architecture, both in manpower and financial resources. And as a part of our commitment, Budalen contributed 2,400 soldiers to the SNA as part of the National Troop Integration Program. We look forward to today's conference as another milestone on Somalia's journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Cabdiwali Mohammed Ali, the President of Puntland State of Somalia.